Hello, why do you take out my floor drain core?
Buy this, it can drain quickly.
But how to stop odor?
Wait, don't do this again. The drain pipe is inserted directly into the sewer, and there are a lot of mosquitoes and odor inside that will come into the home. This trap will overflow when the amount of water is large. We can install a drain connector like this on it. This connector can be adapted to most floor drains on the market. There is a closing valve at the bottom, which opens when there is water and closes when there is no water, which can effectively prevent mosquito odor from entering the home. It can also be connected to other devices, which is very easy to use. There are also various accessories in the accessory bag that can be used to connect different devices.